Hi, I'm Rob Fulmer at Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, and today I'm going to tell you how to get into and start your GMC Terrain if your Key Fob battery dies. So today I have a 2018 GMC Terrain picked out, but this would work all the way up to the current 2021 model year. I also have an SLE trim level, but it would work all the way up to the Denali trim level as well. For demonstration purposes, I removed the battery from the Key Fob to show you how to get in and start the vehicle if it were to be dead. Step 1, we need to remove the key from the actual Key Fob. That is done by pressing this button on the side and then pulling the key out. Step 2, you need to identify the slit at the bottom of the handle here. And then step 3, actually stick your key in the slit and just pop it right off here. Now it's gonna feel like you're taking a piece of your car off, but that's totally normal. Step 4, use the key to open the door. Now that you're in the vehicle, let's start it up. So what you do is you put the Key Fob in the left cup holder, let it lay right on the ground there, put your foot on the brake, and start the car up like normal. Now, one thing that's important to remember is that if you get in the vehicle and notice no lights are coming on or the car's not starting, there's a very real chance that the car's battery may be dead. If that is the case, I have linked GM's Roadside Assistance phone number in the description box, just to help you out. Okay, the final step is to put the cap back on the door handle. To do that, you close the door, then you lift this side of the door handle, and it pops right back on. That does it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to explore next.